going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here. UPS just dropped off a super awesome package that we've been waiting for about a month and a half now. This is a unique product that was developed to eliminate problems that people have with carburetors. That's right. If you remember a couple of my previous videos, I talked about Lectron carbs. Now these are carbs that have zero main jet, so you're never gonna get fuel stuck in there that's not gonna fire or go up your carburetor. Additionally, they work well in altitude. They go ahead and self-adjust up to a certain degree. About 6 weeks ago, my buddy Berto, the gentleman who let me borrow his KTM 400 for the Lake Elsinore Grand Prix a couple years ago, called up and said that his carburetor was gummed up, he needed to clean it, and he was fed up, completely done. He said he really wanted to get an Lectron carb, so I went to work for him. Lectron worked with us and we built a carburetor specific for his motorcycle. Now today I'm just going to be showing what goes into the unboxing. What do you get with a full Lectron kit? That's what we're going to be looking at today. And then here in a future video, we're going to do the full detailed installation of this product onto that KTM 400 so you guys can see just exactly what goes into it and how amazing the bike runs after we get this thing installed. Now, let's get to the unboxing. So what we're going to see here in this box is going to be a KTM specific Gen 2 4-stroke carb. That carb is going to cost us about $605. Now you can see here that carb is set up with the metering rod, fuel screw, and power jet set up exactly how Lectron believes that we're going to need it to be set up for this bike to run optimally. We also have a Domino 65 throttle housing. We have a G2 billet throttle tube with Lectron cam for the Domino. We're gonna have a billet throttle cam. We're gonna have a 4-stroke throttle cable with a 90-degree bend. We have some waffle grips. And then we have the KTM Gen 2 4-stroke carb kit. So this kit out the door is looking like it's gonna run us right at $800. Now let's take a closer look at these specific parts. Now this is something very important. Take a look here. Lectron has gone ahead and given us all of the initial adjustments or settings that they have done to this carb so you know exactly where it sits. So if you happen to go in there and mess with it later, you can go back to exactly the starting point that they gave us at the beginning. So here we have the Lectron carb itself. We're gonna have this side here that's gonna go towards the air box and this side here that's gonna go towards the motor. We've got our air fuel mixture screw here. This thing's gorgeous. Now down here at the bottom we have a clear float bowl. That's going to allow us to see everything that's going on with this carb as we need to work on it in the future and kind of see what it's doing. This is a beautiful piece from Lectron. I'm going to go ahead and set it right here. So this here's the Domino throttle. These are amazing. I have one on my TY250 and it's phenomenal. This is going to be our billet aluminum throttle tube. We're going to go ahead and replace that. We're going to use the special Lectron cam that they've given us. That's going to give this throttle the absolute perfect rotation. Of course, you have instructions on how that all goes together there. All of the components that we need to get that Domino throttle working perfectly. We then have a Barnett throttle cable. This is going to go from our throttle housing here all the way down to the carburetor. It's going to give us nice, smooth action. Barnett makes amazing products. That's going to be the 10mm cable that goes ahead and attaches this guy here. And then Domino grips. These things are awesome. They're nice and squishy. They give you a great feel, great contact on the bar. Of course, you can put any grip that you want to on this thing, but they've already provided the kit, so that is what we are going to be using on the KTM 400. And there we have it, all the pieces that go into a complete Lectron carb kit from Lectron. Again, we're gonna be doing the full installation of this onto a KTM 400 EXC, so stay tuned. That process is gonna be a lot of fun and you're gonna be stoked and shocked at the outcome of that project. Now my buddy Travis Snyder has done this project on his 450X and absolutely loves it. So we're super excited to get this thing installed, get out to the desert and see how well this thing performs. I thank you guys for tuning in and for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions on any of the pieces you see here on the table, please leave a comment down below. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're curious about anything motor related, please hit the subscribe button and more importantly, that notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.